All right, we're here in the World of Disney. Is that what this place? It's World of Disney shopping plaza here. And they have all these puzzles. I thought this one was really neat. Look at this, The Nightmare Before Christmas.
And it's for ages 10 and up.
And the Haunted Mansion right next to it. And here's one, my wife's favorite here is Thomas Kincaid. We actually got a Bible done by him right before he passed away. We didn't know, of course, he was going to pass away, but we bought a Bible for one of our daughters as a wedding present. It turned out to be a good one because it's worth a lot more now than what it was when we bought it for. And there's several different Animal Kingdom puzzles. You're not supposed to. How much are these puzzles? Let's see. Does it have a price on them? Is that what you were looking for, a price?
Yeah.
Did it have a price?
They're $24.99.
24. Tell them.
$24.99.
That's what it looks like. If you want to get one, we are still here in the World of Disney shopping, and we have found some neat little things. I actually checked prices online, and some of these you couldn't find. Believe it or not, I couldn't find it for any cheaper. In fact, more. Especially this one, the Mandalorian Child. So look what he does. It's so neat. Watch this. I know y'all are tripping now, ain't you? Look at, there he goes. The Force. Use the Force.
She's darling.
Use the Force. That's so neat. Let's do it one more time.
He does a little.
Well, I'll tell you, one more time. The Force is strong with this one. There he goes. Use it. There we go. Boy, that never gets old, I'll tell you.
No, it doesn't.
But anyway, and then we found, look, my wife is going to get, she loves these puzzles by Thomas Kincaid. Thomas is my name too, of course. That's coming in at $24.99. And we get a 10% off because we're pass holders, Florida residents. Pensacola is still in Florida. It's way up in North Florida, Northwest Florida Panhandle. That's where we're from. And this one is a Battleship Pirates of the Caribbean limited edition. Now I looked online for this one. It was $100 everywhere else, or close to $100. And this one is only right here at Disney, $44.95, $45 basically. And like I said, I get a discount as a pass holder. Let's see how much the Grogu, right? Isn't that his name? Grogu. We didn't know his name at first until you watched The Mandalorian, so it's a spoiler alert. If you haven't seen it, I'm sorry, I've told his name. But this is $79.99 here. The Mandalorian Child Grogu.
And he comes
He's
with
got
a little
25, look at that, 25 sound and movement combinations. Yada, yada, yada. It's pretty neat, pretty neat. And they have a, yeah, I showed the Spider-Man set, I did. But here's the back of it. Just to show it to you. I was saying something, I forgot what I was saying, who knows. Anyway, it'll come back to me. But, yeah, we have that's what I was gonna say. We got droids for him at the Droid Depot. We were able to build a droid for him before the pandemic, right before we went, the year before. We went actually in 2019. We went in October. We were October 31st, Halloween. I got some videos that I'm gonna put out. I still haven't put them out yet because at the time I found out I didn't have a computer good enough to edit the videos, but I'm gonna get one soon and put all of these videos out that you're seeing. So remember to like and subscribe and share with your friends. And we're gonna do a little more shopping. Let's see what we can find over this way. Show some magic of Disney here. In a few seconds, these little pictures are gonna start moving. Somebody drew these, you would think. And let's see. Oh, there they go. Look, they're moving. Oh, they just, oh, wait a minute. They changed pictures altogether. Look at that. Wow. Changed pictures completely. Turned into Robin Hood, I believe these are characters. Who is he from? I know those are from Robin Hood. I don't know who he's from. I don't know this character, but could be Mr. Toad, yeah. Could be, I'm not sure. Wow.
I found where the projector
That's
is.
pretty crazy.
I found the projector up there. Look,
Wow.
they're changing again.
They're changing again.
That is so
Look at that. Robin's moving there.
Look, Isaac, it's moving.
Holy moly, look at that. He started moving. That's the magic of Disney, all that kind of little stuff in the background here and there. Makes it just really special. And we're gonna look around some more.
These are very cute.
Very cute, look at the little babies.
Alright guys, I just opened the baby Grogu and he is talking now. I put him on mode and look, if you lay him down, he'll even take a nap.
Watch this. He is snoring, can you hear that?
He is sleeping.
Can you touch him on his head? Oh! He's dreaming. Wake up, Grogu. Oh, wake up.
Oh, he's awake.
It's all right. Wow, he almost looks like the one on TV.
Yeah, he
I
does.
tell you, he looks just like him. That is so neat, guys. He is Grogu. Grogu. Otherwise known as Baby Yoda. Baby Yoda Grogu. There he is. And he is so cute. My daughter loves him. Look, he moves. And show him, do the little, here, show us the Force. Show us the Force. The Force is strong with this one. The Force is strong with this one.
Goodbye.
Is that right? He's gonna get in the video too. Well, and my little boy, he loves him some Spider-Man, let me tell you. And Disney now has Spider-Man through Marvel. And so he got him some web slingers. And I'm gonna get him a mask too to go with it. I found the mask for half price online, so sometimes you find a better deal. And I looked for this online for these two, but they did not have, actually Disney had about the best price on this, as far as I could find. Because this is not one, but two web slingers here. You know, the real deal. You know. So, And we're about to have some supper, and we're gonna have some ice cream. We're gonna watch some movies. Anyway, we had fun today at Disney Springs, and we'll see you next time. And remember, be the best, and be blessed. And we'll see you again. And there's Grogu. Say bye, Grogu.